In this video, we will connect the dialog box that we created to the iPhone. And the way we do that is we go to the prototype tab, and what we want to happen is that when I click in one of these components, it should bring up this dialog box. And to do that, I just go to the component I want to be activated, and these handles are basically telling me to attach something to it, basically to attach an action to it. So this object selected, I have a tap none at the moment. So when you tap on it, nothing happens. But we can change it. We can say on tap, open an overlay. Okay, and which overlay is it? Our dialog box overlay. How should I open it? Instant dissolve, move in. Okay, let's move it in, and it shows us the moving in behavior. And how should the overlay be done? Centered. That looks good. Should it close when clicking outside or not? Should we add a background? Yes, we can add a background of 25% transparency, a dark background with a 25. So it darkens the screen when the overlay has come up. And we can ignore these things for now. And then we can also make it close when clicking outside. So the cancel button or clicking outside should close it. Okay. And this is now plugged in, and it's saved. So we can now test it. To test it, I go to the present button, and the flow, this is important, the flow starts with this object. So if you have multiple screens, you have to specify where the flow starts, where is the entry point. So here, the entry point is here. It gave us default. In other videos, we will see how we can change it. But this is so far okay. So we can go to the present and change again. This is probably a bug to iPhone 15 Pro so that it fits right onto the screen. Now, as I'm bringing my mouse in, this object is not linked to anything, but if I click on this page, it shows me what areas are clickable. So the entire blue flashing area as I click is telling me that this is something that I can click on. So let me click on it. And as you see, now this dialog box is coming from the left, and so coming from the right, and also the background has darkened a little bit. And now the next thing that we need to test is that if I click on it, nothing happens. These buttons are not connected to anything, nothing happens. But if I click outside, the dialog box should go. So let's try that. Click outside, and the dialog box has gone. So this is the most basic prototyping connection that you can do to bring dialog boxes, and we will do more complicated things later.